SoftBank's strategic pivot by trading NVIDIA gains for OpenAI's future. SoftBank Group's latest financial maneuvers illustrate the high-stakes decisions facing technology investors as they position themselves within the artificial intelligence landscape. The company's sale of complete NVIDIA gains represents both a strategic gain and a reminder of the past strategic miscalculations. The timing of SoftBank's NVIDIA exit tells a very complex story. What began as a modest 180 million investment disclosed in 2020 grew substantially as NVIDIA became the cornerstone of AI infrastructure. The sale in October 2025, when NVIDIA reached a 5 trillion market valuation, generated 5.8 billion for SoftBank. However, the 1.3% stake pales in comparison to the position that the company once held. In 2016, SoftBank had acquired approximately 5% of NVIDIA only to liquidate that position in 2019 as the focus shifted towards late-stage startups like Uber and WeWork. Had the original stake remained intact, it would represent over 210 billion in the current value. The proceeds from NVIDIA's sale form a part of the comprehensive fundraising effort to support SoftBank's evolving AI strategy. The company has committed 30 billion to OpenAI with 7.5 billion already deployed earlier in 2025. This represents the largest single investor commitment to the ChatGPT maker, which recently received a 500 billion private market valuation, making it the world's most valuable private company. SoftBank's quarterly results demonstrate the immediate financial impact of this repositioning. Profits reached 16.2 billion, driven primarily by the mark-to-market gains on OpenAI's investment as the startup's valuation expanded. This represents a substantial turnaround from the challenging period that SoftBank experienced following its 2021-2022 investment cycle, when raising interest rates compressed startup valuations across its 58 billion vision fund. The capital requirements for SoftBank's current investment thesis extend well beyond the NVIDIA sale.